Hey guys, and happy Friday. So right now I'm feeling a little sick. I have like a sore throat. Y'all know, like I told y'all, this Jacksonville weather is like cold, hot, cold, hot. Now today is cold and a little rainy. So I'm feeling like crap, but I'm not gonna claim it. I'm gonna go to Walmart to pick up some type of medicine that I could take really quick to try to knock this out before I even start. But y'all, this morning I worked out for 1 hour. I was so proud of myself. I just basically turned on some YouTube and just started watching YouTube, and it kind of took my mind off the time, so I was able to get my workout in. I was just so proud of myself. So I went home, washed up, and now I'm on my way to pick up my son. And I was thinking about soaking my nails off because I'm kind of over this shape. I really don't like the way it's shaped. I like this style, like I like the almond shape, but I don't like the way that this set is shaped, if that makes sense. So I was thinking about also picking up some acetone fingernail polish remover to try to get these soaked off, and then I need to call and make a nail appointment for tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing right now. Y'all know I have to sit in this long line until school is out, so I brought a little snack. So these are just my mangoes with the tahini seasoning. Y'all know I love this. So that's what I'll be snacking on while I'm waiting on my baby. Alright, that's gonna taste weird though. Those are cough drops. That's not what I need. Excuse me.
There's so much here to look at. Oh my gosh, who knows what to get?
I guess not. I think. Does this one have the acetone? Yeah. I think I'm gonna just go with this one. Alright y'all, so I made it back home. So I ended up getting some jumbo cotton balls, and then this is the 100% pure acetone fingernail polish remover that I bought. And then I just bought some Coraseptic. My throat is not that sore, but like I said, it feels a little uncomfortable, so I want to try to take something before it gets worse. So this is what I picked up. And so here's my nails. I ended up just cutting them down because I didn't feel like waiting too long, and I had to end up yanking them. My nails were breaking anyway, so I know this is pretty gross, but I have my long nails back on tomorrow. So like, if you didn't have the opportunity, well, if you don't stir this stuff,
I'm trying to. This thing is so wet. I never like handled one before. This one.
like a kiss, demonetized.
Right.
Y'all, so we just made the chili. I know a lot of you guys were a little worried. Well, I don't know, y'all probably wasn't worried because y'all know I can make chili. I know chili is not hard to make, but I was just saying that it was my first time making it. I've never made it before, but you know, chili is probably one of the easiest things to make. So let me show you guys what it's looking like. Me and my brother made it. Where's the spoon? So we're getting ready to eat some chili and watch some television.
And talk about boys.
Yes, talk about boys. So this is it. Hold on. Get y'all in focus so y'all don't be coming for me. This is it, y'all. Ryan put some flour in it to make it thicker, but it looked good, right?
Exactly. I heard that, but what?
Yes, y'all. So y'all know we're gonna get that thing right on together. So we're gonna add cheese. I'm gonna add cheese and sour cream to mine.
That's a good idea.
What you gonna add to yours?
I'm just adding some cheese and a grilled cheese sandwich.
Yes, me too. If y'all want to know what my daddy looked like, just like this. For real, y'all, he looked just like Ryan, okay? Ryan and my Uncle Bruce. They all look alike. Ryan, my daddy, and Uncle Bruce. But yeah, so that's what we're doing for the rest of the night. I showed y'all my nails already. So tomorrow I'll have my claws. Y'all excuse the way I look because I'm getting ready to relax. And I told y'all earlier today that I wasn't feeling that well. But that, what was it? Cordyceps. Oh, I look fool. That little tablet, that tablet that I took, it really did help. Cause my throat wasn't that sore, but it, you know how like it kind of feel like you're on the verge of getting a sore throat, and I wanted to go ahead and knock that out. Cause when I get sick, I'm a baby, y'all, and I do not like. I can't deal with sore throats. That's one of the things I cannot deal with. But I know it was the weather, because you know, remember, Ryan, it's been hot, cold, and wet and cold. It's just been a mess. So we're getting ready to watch Sisters and The Oval. And I'll show y'all the chili when we plate it. Or bowl it. Yeah, bowl it. All right, y'all, so here is my chili. This is how it turned out. And then I just added some cheese, sour cream, and green chives. And I have a little grilled cheese on the side. I like to add some tomatoes to my grilled cheese. So yeah, that is my chili. Okay, y'all, so I just checked the mail and I received, and it's not sponsored by the way, I received a skin care system. So thank you so much for sending this over to me. So I'll let you guys know if I like it when I try it out. Hey guys, and happy Saturday. So I am on my way to the nail salon, and I am so excited because my hands look like little boy hands, like seriously. We were supposed to record us making the chili. Well, we actually did start recording ourselves making the chili because it was supposed to be a video for our cooking channel, but we got so caught up with talking and mixing stuff and not paying attention. I wasn't recording. It was too much. So we're gonna skip this week and just post a cooking video for next week. But the chili turned out so good, like it's all gone. It turned out really, really good. So I got my little chili fix.